Hi guys, my name is Chawan Shangalo. I'm the CEO and founder of Love Your Stays. In this video, I'm going to do a quick run around with our property which we've added to the portfolio using the buy, refurb, refinance strategy and renting it out as a serviced accommodation. So we did a light refurb on this property. As you can see in the kitchen, we changed the kitchen and put a new kitchen from magnet. We also changed the ceiling and put spotlights, and also the flooring we changed it, painted the room white to give it the bright finish. In bedroom one, we moved the wardrobe to the other side. As you can see, previously the wardrobe was taking too much space on it. We also changed the ceiling, so we skimmed through the ceiling, we plastered it as well, and we also changed the flooring on this room. Also put sketchings, so we put nice sketchings. We painted them white gloss to give it a bright finish. Also added a feature wall in the racing green color. What we did in bedroom two, we changed the flooring. We changed the sketchings to put nice sketchings there, which we painted white gloss. We painted the room to give it a different color. What we did in the bathroom was a complete change of the layout. As you can see, there was a tub here. Previously there was a tub, but we removed the tub to create more space, and we put a bathroom cubicle shower there. And we also added a new feature to the property details by putting black details on it. In the living room, we changed the flooring, the sketchings, painted it a nice color to give it the bright finish as well. In the wall where we changed the flooring, the sketchings, and we also put spotlights to make it bright. The whole property was painted white, but with some feature details on colors like green on bedroom in other bedrooms, and blue in the living room. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment. We'll be documenting our property journey, so we'll be adding videos like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Cheers.